Looking for stylish, durable, and functional seating? You're in the right place. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best wood stools in this year that combine comfort, quality, and timeless design, perfect for kitchens, bars, or any living space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Alaterre Furniture Wood Stools. The Alaterre Furniture Durango Industrial Wood Dining Stool is a solid choice for anyone looking to blend rustic charm with dependable durability. Standing at 20 inches high, this stool is crafted from high-quality solid acacia wood, finished with lacquer for added resilience and shine. Its standout feature is the saddle-shaped seat, designed not only for comfort but also for timeless style that complements a wide range of decors. Built with knot-free lumber, reinforced by steel screws, the stool ensures longevity, even with daily use. The truss-style construction and exposed bolts give it an industrial flair, making it as stylish as it is practical. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it's sturdy enough for everyday family use while maintaining a lightweight and compact design that fits easily into dining rooms, kitchens, or even office break areas. Nylon floor protectors are included, ensuring your floors remain scratch-free no matter how often the stool is moved around. Its natural wood tone makes it versatile, pairing well with rustic, farmhouse, or industrial themes. Beyond dining, it can serve as additional seating in game rooms or casual lounge areas, offering both function and aesthetic appeal. With dimensions of 18.9-inch LX14, WX20H, this stool fits comfortably under most tables without taking up excessive space. Its rugged yet polished finish makes it a piece that enhances the warmth and character of any room. For anyone seeking reliable seating with personality, the Alaterre Furniture Durango stool strikes an excellent balance of comfort, quality, and design. Number 2. Nathan James Wood Stools. The Nathan James Gracie Wood Stool is an elegant seating option that blends comfort and style seamlessly, making it perfect for kitchens, dining areas, or breakfast nooks. This stool features a brushed light brown wood wash on its solid legs, giving it a warm and welcoming farmhouse aesthetic. Paired with white natural flax upholstery, the seat not only looks refined, but also provides firm support for long-lasting comfort. One of the standout aspects of this stool is its supportive backrest, which combines an exposed wooden panel with soft cushioning. This design adds both style and comfort, offering proper back support for extended sitting sessions while highlighting the farmhouse charm that fits into both rustic and modern interiors. The C-shaped cushion seat is designed to cradle the body, ensuring a pleasant sitting experience, whether used for quick meals at the counter or longer gatherings with family and friends. Built to hold up to 300 pounds, the stool is sturdy enough for everyday use, yet its tapered legs give it a sleek, modern silhouette that prevents it from feeling bulky. At counter height, it's ideal for kitchen islands or bar counters, and its simple, neutral design makes it easy to pair with various decor schemes. Nathan James is also known for reliable craftsmanship, ensuring this stool will stand the test of time in both function and appearance. Number 3. Nathan James Barker Wood Stools. The Nathan James Barker Wood Stool is a backless bar stool designed for those who appreciate minimalist style paired with long-lasting comfort. Featuring a clean mid-century modern design, this stool offers a solid wood frame finished in a chestnut light brown tone that matches easily with a wide range of interiors, from contemporary to rustic. The seat is topped with a removable padded leather cushion in a rich brown color, allowing you to sit comfortably for hours. The cushion not only adds comfort, but also provides a refined contrast to the wooden frame, enhancing its visual appeal. With its 24-inch counter height, the Barker stool is perfectly suited for use at kitchen islands, home bars, or tall work tables. One of its practical advantages is its backless design, which allows it to be easily tucked under surfaces when not in use, saving space while maintaining a clean look in your home. The thoughtful design also includes strategically placed footrests that enhance comfort by giving your legs a natural resting place. These footrests are reinforced with a protective metal plate to prevent scratches and damage over time, showcasing the stool's attention to durability. With a sturdy build capable of supporting daily use, it balances form and function effortlessly. This stool is ideal for casual seating areas or social gatherings where guests can relax without feeling confined by a bulky chair. Number 4. PrimeZone Wood Stools. The PrimeZone wood stool offers a perfect mix of comfort, durability, and timeless design, making it an excellent addition to kitchens, dining spaces, and bars. Its saddle-shaped seat is generously padded with 4.3 inches of cushioning, ergonomically crafted to contour naturally to the body, reducing fatigue even after long hours of sitting. The backless design provides flexibility, while the supportive footrest offers added comfort for casual dining or social settings. Built with natural rubber wood and reinforced using traditional mortise and tenon joints, this stool is a testament to quality craftsmanship. With a remarkable weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, it stands out as one of the sturdiest stools available in its category. The frame is designed for long-term durability, ensuring that it can handle everyday use without compromising stability. Measuring 12.2-inch D x 18.3, W x 26.1 H, the stool is perfectly sized for counter heights between 35 and 38 inches. Its space-saving design allows it to be tucked neatly under counters when not in use, keeping your space organized and functional. Upholstered with waterproof faux leather, the seat is not only soft and resilient, but also easy to clean, making it a practical option for busy households. Nailhead trim detailing adds a touch of sophistication, elevating the overall farmhouse aesthetic of the piece. This blend of rustic charm and modern functionality makes the PrimeZone stool versatile enough for use in cafes, restaurants, or home dining areas. Number 5. Bekrvio wood stools. The Bekrvio wood stool is a versatile and stylish seating solution that combines modern design with practical functionality. Featuring a wide and cushioned seat measuring 18.5 inches in width and 16.1 inches in depth, this stool comfortably accommodates different body types while ensuring long-lasting comfort. The high elastic sponge filling ensures resilience and durability, resisting sagging or collapse even after prolonged use. Upholstered with premium PU leather, the seat is not only soft but also easy to clean, boasting a lychee grain texture that adds a subtle touch of sophistication. A highlight of this stool is its 360-degree swivel function, allowing smooth and silent rotation. This makes it easy to turn and interact in social settings without needing to reposition the entire stool. The mid-century modern design is another standout feature, with a combination of faux leather upholstery, sleek metal legs, and an oak veneer backrest finished in dark walnut. The backrest is gently curved to support the lower back, blending comfort with elegant style. Sturdily constructed with a carbon steel frame and durable wooden accents, the Bekrvio stool supports up to 300 pounds and includes non-scratch adjustable foot pads for stability on various flooring types. With a seat height of 26 inches, it pairs well with counters between 36 and 40 inches, making it suitable for kitchen islands, home bars, or commercial spaces. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.